Hey there, future heroes and helpers. Today, we're going on an amazing journey through the city, the countryside, and even space to meet the real-life stars who make the world go round. From doctors who heal, to teachers who guide, to astronauts who reach for the stars, every job is important, and every helper plays a part. Are you ready to discover what you might be when you grow up? Let's go meet the amazing people behind the uniforms. Firefighter helps put out fires and keeps people safe. Lifeguard watches swimmers and saves people in the water. Architect designs buildings and plans how they look. Drone operator controls flying robots to take pictures or videos. College professor teaches older students at a university.
And those matters behave with each other in certain ways.
Teacher helps kids learn new things at school. Principal is the boss of a school and helps run it. Librarian helps people find and borrow books. Police officer keeps everyone safe and catches bad guys. Coast Guard officer keeps people safe in the sea and on boats. Border Patrol agent protects the borders and checks who enters the country. Soldier protects the country and helps in emergencies. Lawyer helps people with the law and solves problems.
Everything in this world is made up of matter.
Judge decides what's fair in court. Ship captain drives big boats across the water. Sailor works on boats and helps them sail. Astronaut travels to space and explores planets. Pilot flies airplanes to take people places. Flight attendant helps passengers on airplanes.
Attention passengers, we've now reached...
Scientist studies the world and finds new things. Geologist studies rocks and the Earth's surface. Archaeologist finds and studies old things from long ago. Meteorologist tells the weather and if it will rain or shine. Paleontologist studies dinosaur bones and fossils. Botanist studies plants and how they grow. Entomologist studies insects like ants and butterflies. Biologist studies living things like animals and plants. Chemist mixes chemicals to learn or create new things. Oceanographer studies the ocean's waves, water, and sea life. Marine biologist studies ocean animals like dolphins and fish. Astronomer studies stars, planets, and space. Ecologist studies how animals and plants live together in nature. Dentist helps keep teeth healthy and clean. Doctor helps people get better when they are sick. Nurse cares for people in the hospital. Pharmacist gives medicine to help people feel better. Optometrist checks eyes and helps people see clearly. Veterinarian takes care of sick animals. Paramedic helps sick or hurt people in emergencies. Interpreter helps people understand different languages. Sign language interpreter helps people communicate using hand signs.
You can ask, what do you do?
Real estate agent helps people buy and sell houses. Accountant keeps track of money and numbers. Banker helps people with their money and banks. Robotic Engineer builds and fixes robots. Computer programmer writes codes to make computers work. Graphic designer makes pictures and designs for books and ads. Bus driver drives buses to take people to places. Truck driver drives big trucks to deliver goods. Taxi driver drives a car to take people where they want. Postman delivers letters and packages. Delivery driver brings packages and food to people's homes. Train conductor works on trains and helps passengers. Garbage collector picks up trash to keep the city clean. Janitor cleans buildings and keeps them tidy. Mechanic fixes cars and machines. Factory worker makes products in a factory. Plumber fixes pipes and water systems. Construction worker builds houses and buildings. Electrician works with electricity and wiring. Welder joins metal pieces together by heating. Solar panel technician installs and fixes solar panels for energy. Carpenter builds things with wood. Mobile phone technician fixes cell phones. Miner works underground to find minerals and gems. Blacksmith makes things from metal using fire and tools. Mason builds walls and buildings using bricks or stones. HVAC technician fixes heaters and air conditioners. Forklift operator drives a machine that lifts heavy things in warehouses. Gardener takes care of plants in gardens. Zookeeper cares for animals in the zoo. Animal trainer teaches animals to do tricks or tasks. Coach helps athletes practice and get better. Athlete plays sports and competes in games. Photographer takes pictures of people and places. Artist creates paintings, drawings, or sculptures. Musician plays instruments or sings songs. Actor pretends to be characters in plays or movies. Filmmaker makes movies and tells stories on screen. Clown makes people laugh with jokes and tricks. Magician performs magic tricks to amaze people. Tour guide shows visitors around interesting places. Receptionist welcomes people and helps with information. Security guard keeps buildings and people safe.
Breaker 40, come in, over.
Jeweler makes and sells jewelry like rings and necklaces. Florist makes beautiful flower arrangements. Chef cooks delicious food in restaurants. Baker makes bread, cakes, and pastries. Farmer grows crops and takes care of animals. Barber cuts and styles people's hair. Butcher cuts meat to sell at the store. Cashier helps customers pay for things. Shopkeeper sells goods in a store. Waiter brings food and drinks to people in restaurants. Ice cream vendor sells ice cream to people outside. Wow! So many awesome jobs, right? From building homes to flying planes to keeping people healthy and happy. Every job helps make the world a better place. And guess what? One day, you might be the one wearing the pilot's hat, holding the doctor's stethoscope, or inventing the next big thing. No matter what you choose to be, the most important job of all is being kind, curious, and ready to help. So keep dreaming, keep learning, and remember, the world needs what only you can bring. See you next time, amazing explorers of the future.